Alright guys, so we're running at 5.5 hours on the trip, cruising along. Look at all the stats right here, and we're just crossing over into New Hampshire. So we got 2.5 hours left. Welcome to New Hampshire, and wow, this is Nashua, New Hampshire, and crazy. I used to live here, worked here right out of school for 2 years. Used to make Tesla videos right around over there at my apartment and work. 2.5 years ago, I used to live here, and man, how much life has changed. New jobs, 2 new states, a few new cars later, friendships and relationship changes and engagement. You know, it just, you know, while I'm here, it really just, I want to emphasize to people out there who may still be listening that, you know, relationships and friendships are very important, and you have to find relationships that put people in your corner and advocate for you. They bring out the best personality traits in you. You bring out the best in others. It's, you know, you have to have people advocating for you, but you also have to advocate for yourself. You have to make decisions that work best for you, and you need to know what makes you happy and what you value in life. Values are so important. And I just think, you know, my past and whatever, every moment is a learning moment and a reflective moment to shape who you are in your 20s, pre-20s, 30s, 40s, and onwards. We're constantly reflecting and growing. So with that being said, just chilling in the car for the next 2.5 hours. Appreciate everyone just listening to my tirade, but yeah, it's like kind of crazy to be on these roads in a totally different car, in a totally different place and state of mind, but it almost feels familiar. You know, it doesn't feel foreign. That's why I love road trips. I just love returning to places, discovering new places.